Must-have gadgets. Ultra-thin portable keyboard. This ultra-thin foldable wireless keyboard is one of the best keyboard for traveling and has even a mouse pad. You can connect it with your phone, PC, or laptop. Waterproof wall mount case. This shower phone holder will make your shower into an entertainment shower. It's waterproof and easy to mount on a wall in your bathroom. It also has a 360 degrees of rotation and anti-fog touchscreen. It's compatible for all phones. Truck tailgate light bar. This awesome triple row LED strip with red brake and white reverse sequential lights, it also has nice looking indicators. This will transfer your car into a modern and good looking car. Waterproof portable wireless speaker. This great wireless speaker comes with a suction cup and is waterproof. It's good to use in the kitchen or bathroom. It's rechargeable and has a 2-hour playtime. Colorful wireless charger with speakers. This mini desktop wireless speaker has also an included wireless mobile phone charging system with 10-watt fast charging. It has colorful ambient lights and an ambient speaker sound. Shiatsu electric massage pillow. Having pain in your neck, shoulder, waist, or leg, then this Shiatsu electric massage pillow will give you relief from all the pain. It has a 3D heated deep tissue kneading and is rechargeable. It's perfect for your home, office, or travel. Say goodbye to your pain. If you liked the video so far, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Magnetic wireless charging bank. This new awesome 10,000 mAh power bank has a 22.5 watt super fast charging power with LED power display, and the best part of it is that it is magnetic with very strong magnets. It has a USB and USB-C port. Smart toothbrush organizer. This smart toothbrush organizer is really a must-have for all bathrooms. It has an automatic squeeze system built in and a toothbrush sanitizer, which keeps your toothbrush clean. It's easy to mount on the wall and keeps all toothbrushes organized. Electric drill refitting plate shears. Cut effortlessly through stainless steel, aluminum, and iron sheets with this electric drill bit cutter attachment. Electric drill chainsaw. With this chainsaw drill attachment, you can easily cut through wood, convert your drill machine into a chainsaw. It's great for woodworking and gardening. Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. This is a cute mini desktop vacuum cleaner to keep your desk clean and dust-free. Handheld mixer. This easy-to-use handheld mixer for cream, eggs and more is perfect for baking and cooking. Multifunctional sink wrench. The ultimate tool for bathroom installation and repair. It's 8-in-1 multifunctional sink wrench. Electric water bottle pump. This automatic electric water bottle pump is excellent for camper. Get your water with a button click. It is also rechargeable. Digital laser tape measure. This 3-in-1 digital laser tape measure is very accurate. With an LCD display, this is a must-have for all handyman. Portable mini sealing machine. This is a portable mini handy heat sealer for food snacks and storage bags, best for kitchens. Rotation sprayer head. Upgrade your kitchen faucet with a universal rotation sprayer head. For maximum flexibility, can also be used in the bathroom. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also, let us know in the comments which gadget was the best in this video.